we have to fix this. Hey everyone, today it's time to fix the front door situation. Look at this. I've had this ugly wreath since February and I want to change that. So I'm just going to quickly harvest the lavender and then we'll make the wreath. I'll show you all the supplies and how I make it. Let's go! It's nearly bloomed out, so I think it's okay now to harvest. So beautiful. We already have the second flush of growth that's getting ready. So if we cut back, then we can really encourage that. It's also time to cut back the lavender that we have at the front of the house. I'm not even sure how it grows because I only have morning sun. So this is why those are leaning away and really trying to find more sun. But anyway, the bees are loving it. You can just gather several stems like this. And when you cut back, be careful not to cut back in the woody part of the shrub, but in the new growth. Otherwise, you can damage the plant. And you can see here, this one had been neglected for many years before we moved in, so it now has a really odd shape. But you can create those little bundles. It makes it much easier to harvest. The white lavender is also beautiful and it smells equally amazing. Alright, so here's the wreath form that was on the door. I like that the moss has dried like this, so I'm going to leave it on. I have more wire to attach the greens to the wreath and a pair of cutters, a cutting plier to shorten it to size if I need. And then I have a bunch of things to apply to my wreath. So here, the beautiful purple lavender we just harvested, and also some white one. Look how beautiful this is. I love this. And also a little arrangement that I had inside the house with the curry plant from the front planter that's blooming. I really like the yellow. I think it's really beautiful. And also pruned a little bit the eucalyptus that I have at the front of the house, but those stems have dried, so we'll see if we use them. And I also cut a couple of beautiful grasses from the meadow. Look at this, so beautiful, and I feel like all of this together will give it quite a wild look.
To make the wreath, I'll be creating individual bundles. I'm starting with some lavender as the base and adding a touch of yellow with the curry plant, adding a little bit more lavender with the white touch, and I'll be finishing it off with some eucalyptus. Be mindful of the size of bundles that you create because you'll have to make them as equal as possible to go around the wreath to make sure it has an homogeneous shape. I've attached the wire to the wreath and now placing the bundle on top of the attachment point and securing it by going around the bundle and the wreath 3 times. I won't cut the wire until the wreath is complete. And now I'll repeat the process until the wreath is complete. For the next bundle, I make sure to place it in order to hide the attachment point and also make sure that it creates a nice rounded shape all around the wreath.
And when you arrive towards the end of the wreath, you continue the process. You just have to go underneath your first bundle.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
You chillin'?